Hello everyone, let us talk about something fundamental yet powerful in Java. I'm going to talk about Java immutable class. An immutable class in Java is one whose objects cannot be changed once they are created. This means that after an instance of an immutable class is constructed, its state cannot be modified. Some classic examples are string, integer, and LocalDate. These classes ensure that their instances are unchangeable, making your program more predictable. Immutability brings several benefits. It makes your code thread safe, simplifies debugging, and enhances performance. So, how do we make a class immutable? Declare the class as final so it cannot be extended. Make all the fields private and final. Initialize all fields via a constructor. Don't provide any setters. You can see that there are no setter methods in this class. Ensure that mutable fields are not directly accessible or modifiable. So that's it for this video.